So I never really do videos from our hotel rooms when we travel, but we just arrived in St. Louis and this is the view from our hotel room. Not too shabby. Good morning from St. Louis. This is the view from our bedroom window in the hotel and I am absolutely loving it. We are going to get ready, go downstairs and take about 9 million pictures by the arch, and then we have 9 o'clock tram tickets to go to the top of the arch, so we are very excited. We walked outside of our lobby and this is our view. The arch is literally just a few steps from the front of the Hyatt Hotel. So we're about to take 1 million pictures. This should be a lot of fun. For those of you that have never been to the arch, this thing is massive. It is 630 feet tall. It is the world's largest arch and it is the tallest structure in the Western Hemisphere. I'm still in awe of how massive this arch is. It is often referred to as the gateway to the West. We are walking over to the base of the arch now. We have 9 a.m. tickets to take the tram to the top of the arch. I did this back in 7th grade. My first ever travel gymnastics competition was in St. Louis, so I was really young, but Gary has never done this before, so he's very excited. And this is actually a national park now, so this marks off 22 national parks for us. So this should be pretty epic. We just went through basically a security checkpoint, like airport style. And now we're walking to the line. I think we're gonna be the first people up today. We're on our way to the top of the arch. It takes 4 minutes to get to the top. Are you feeling
like a sardine.
Are you feeling claustrophobic?
Don't start. So how you feeling, Sean?
I'm feeling pretty awesome. I remember doing this when I was a lot smaller. I'm very thankful. So one of the few good things about COVID is that you actually get to ride in this by yourselves. Normally you're crammed in here with like complete strangers. But yeah, it's just me and Gary, which is pretty awesome. So yeah. COVID, you have to stay by one set of windows, so we are at window number 8 and check out this view. I am loving the shadow of the arch below us. It is amazing. You are only allowed to stay at the top for 10 minutes, and that went way too fast. We just took the tram car down to the bottom of the arch. We're gonna take one last lap around the arch before we leave St. Louis. One of the cool facts of the arch is it is 630 feet high and it is also 630 feet wide. So that is pretty cool. But we just can't get enough of this arch. We keep staring at it.
So just for comparison's sake, this is Michelle. And this is the arch. Oh my God. That's insane.
For once, I actually feel pretty small.
So we're finishing this video. We are at Pappy's. We hit Salt and Smoke yesterday. That was pretty good. So we're hoping that this is the best way to end out our visit to the Arch in St. Louis. So until then,
Let's dig in. We will see you guys on the next adventure.